In this ever-changing world, certain timeless truths remain. A man must possess the skills to handle any situation and master essential qualities, regardless of the era we live in. Some may perceive these lessons as toxic masculinity, but the reality is that we are witnessing a pandemic of weak men, brainwashed to believe in a false notion of gender equality. Today, we will discuss 6 crucial skills every man should strive to master, building a foundation of strength and resilience. Number 1, the ability to fight. While we should avoid violence and brawls, a high-value man knows how to defend himself and protect his loved ones. Picture a scenario where you're walking with your wife and another guy disrespects her. You could choose to ignore the man completely, but in doing this, you lose your woman's respect. No self-respecting man allows anyone to disrespect the people they love without there being consequences. However, the majority of men today would rather ignore the situation and even try to justify why they were right in doing so. As a high-value man, it is your duty to be the guardian of those you care for, never compromising your honor or your role as protector.
One of the key components of manhood always has been and always will be, we have the ability to control ourselves and not act emotionally. Saying that I felt like crying so I cried, this makes me a real man, is as stupid as the hallmark of a real man is controlling himself, controlling his emotions, and acting appropriately regardless of how he feels.
Never instigate a fight, but learn to fight if necessary. Properly understanding combat can safeguard you and those you love from harm. Number 2, conflict resolution. One of the cornerstones of being a high-value man is possessing this skill. True strength lies in using diplomacy and persuasion to diffuse escalating situations. Even being a skilled fighter, a high-value man uses physical confrontation only as a last resort. Just like the alpha male gorilla who keeps the other gorillas in line simply because of who he is. Your presence should command respect, inspiring others to maintain their composure. Only a man who has the capacity to be dangerous can truly understand the art of conflict resolution. This is why being able to fight and having conflict resolution skills go hand in hand.
I had to figure out how to manage suffering, how to deal with it, because it can be part of my life forever. If I can find some power in this, that right there will be the fuel for the rest of my life.
Number 3, radiate confidence. A strong presence isn't an innate gift, it's a learned skill. Confidence comes from small habits, like maintaining eye contact and offering a firm handshake. A high-value man is charismatic. This is a learned behavior and can be developed in much the same way that we've learned to read, write, or walk. Many weak men try to fake their confidence. This never works. To other high-value men, it's easy to recognize when someone is faking, not looking directly in their eyes or squeezing their hand too hard. When you look someone in the eye, it conveys sincerity and authenticity, showing that you are fully present in the conversation. A firm handshake signifies strength and assertiveness, leaving a lasting impression on those that you meet. Observe real men, mentors, or fighters who demonstrate charisma naturally. Imitate their traits to cultivate your own magnetic presence. Number 4, embrace critical thinking. Challenge your assumptions and biases, considering multiple perspectives. Like a coin, there are always 3 sides to every argument: heads, tails, and the edge. As a critical thinker, you should be able to consider both sides, take what you believe to be valuable from each, and then formulate your own opinion. This is easier said than done, as you must leave your own opinions and biases at the door and embrace other information. Just because you've always done something a certain way doesn't mean it's the right way. The willingness to question your beliefs fosters intellectual growth and leads to better decisions. Open your mind to new information, learning from various viewpoints and experiences. Number 5, financial literacy. In a world where money plays a crucial role in our lives, the lack of financial education is a fatal flaw in modern schooling. A high-value man understands the importance of challenging norms and taking control of his financial destiny. Financial literacy is about more than just balancing a checkbook or saving a portion of your income. It's about fundamentally shifting your mindset and developing a comprehensive understanding of money's power and potential. Start by exploring the concept of investments, the art of making your money work for you rather than you working for it. Learn about investments, financial freedom, and long-term wealth building. Books like Rich Dad, Poor Dad can help you explore new perspectives on money. Seek out other resources, attend financial workshops, and engage with reputable financial advisors to expand your knowledge further. The more you invest in your financial education, the greater the dividends it will yield over time. Number 6, stress management. As you progress in your journey to become a high-value man, responsibilities will undoubtedly increase, and stress becomes a constant companion. There are 2 types of men when it comes to stress: those who believe stress is bad and avoid it at all costs, and those who believe that they perform their best when their body and mind are under stress. A high-value man is one who believes that he functions best under stress. He doesn't procrastinate. Rather, he creates a list and prioritizes tasks. You will not have an important life without complex problems to solve. Be comfortable under stress and rise to the challenge. Embrace pressure with resilience and composure.
It isn't their mental illness that stops them from being able to deal with it. It's the fact that what they're facing is no damn joke, and if you were facing it, you'd feel exactly the same way.
These skills are not exclusive to men. They are vital for anyone aiming to become stronger and more capable. However, as a man, you shoulder the burden of performance and must handle pressure without complaint. Embrace the journey of self-improvement. Until next time.